Hi, guys. Welcome back to a new episode of Tech It Simple. Today, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can redeem your gift card on Spotify. Keep watching the video till the end to redeem your gift card on Spotify. Firstly, go ahead and open up your Google search. On the search box at the top, type in Spotify.com/redeem and make a search. It will take you to the redemption page of Spotify. To redeem your Spotify gift card, enter the PIN code on the back of your gift card or the premium code from your in-store receipt in the given box. Click on the box to mark and verify that you're not a robot, then tap on Continue. This is how you can redeem your Spotify gift card quickly and easily in just a few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and also press the notification bell icon so that you'll be notified whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.